Alright guys, I'm going to give you an update. It's about time, I thought. I've gave you an update. I've built new stairs in now. And it's over the old basement. I've poured concrete on that with insulation in between, so you don't have the cold from the foundation coming into the floor. And I welded a construction to hold it, and it's laying on the walls, the metal construction. And I had all the iron, so it didn't cost me anything. And I made a new stairs, or I ordered a new staircase, and it was a puzzle, and I made it laying here on the floor, and now it's standing up. Yesterday I've given it some sheets of plywood to hold it up, hold it in place, and this can be painted, and then it will be ready eventually. Here is going to be a wall in front of this wall for the insulation. That is going to be all around the living space, and this piece of the wall is going out. So I have one whole room here. And now I'm demolishing the old staircase. Today I've laid some plywood over there so the kids don't fall in the hole. And tonight this wall is going out. This wall is going out tonight, and later this whole wall is going out also. So it's going to be one big living room. Can't wait till it's finished. And there's a new floor over here, because look, it's a little bit flexible. We have to watch out we don't fall through. So guys, wanted to show you this, and can show the stairs on this side too. And this piece of wall was the head side of the, we call it a bedstede. That was a bed that was in the closet. And you can see the side of that in the wall right there. And it was over the basement. Right there was a little window, so you can ventilate the basement. I've I've put in the bricks in and some pipes for the ventilation, because I don't see the need of a window there anymore. And these bricks over here, they were on the side, and I've broken that out and I put the bricks on this way, so it's a whole lot sturdier. Well guys, that was my video. I will keep you a little bit updated on the renovation here, and it's going quick now. I will wish you a very nice day, and see you on the next video.